Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Heather Monthi, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a couple of different resources that you can use for a coding for homeschool curriculum. So a lot of people have reached out to me over the last couple of years with the whole learn to code movement being very popular right now. It's a new skill that is being needed in a lot of different industries right now. So there's a huge movement to get K-12 kids coding. And as a result, there's a lot of homeschool families that are looking for some good coding curriculum to bring into their homeschool family. So what I wanted to do is make a video just to share with you a couple of different things. So the first website I want to share with you is called Code Wizards HQ. And what I love about this site is these are real-time coding classes for kids and teens. So it's not just, following along with a video, and when they have questions, when your kid has questions, they're asking you for help. This is one of those types of classes where your student or your child can sign up for a specific date and time, a 12-week session, whatever it may be, and you meet Monday nights, and it's done virtually. So that's great opportunity for, it doesn't matter where you live. You can sign up for these classes, and these are guided coding classes for kids that can be done over the summer. They can be done during the school year. And the best part about it is that if your child is struggling and having questions, they have an instructor that they can go ask, so that you don't necessarily feel so intimidated, trying to answer coding questions, especially if you're not a techie person. So Code Wizards HQ. I've got a link to that in the description box below, so you can go ahead and click on that, check it out. It's great. They have it for ages 8 to 18, so it's about grade 3 all the way up through 12th grade. And then there's a lot of different activities depending on where your kid's coming in. So it's not like if they're 15 years old and they haven't coded before that they're behind or anything. It's they get them started where they need to get started and get you going. So check it out, description box below. The next resource I want to share with you is one I'm extremely excited about, is DroneBlocks. And so I have a subscription to DroneBlocks, and what it is it's teaching you how to code using drones. So 2016, I was so super excited when I was seeing this intersection of my worlds of technology and aviation coming together. And I was really super excited for the time when a drone was available for under $100 that also had a software development kit, which means you can program it. And so the exciting part about it is that you can really teach any area of STEM education with drones. What I am finding is one of the more popular things to teach in STEM education with drones is drone programming. And so DroneBlocks has a ton of different courses that you can take yourself or your child can take. So you could sign up for a monthly subscription, or you can pay for the year. So you get a little bit of a discount if you pay for the full year. It's not incredibly expensive. It's a great resource for you to learn how to program drones. And specifically, they work on the Tello EDU drone. And so I've got a lot of drone videos on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in the Tello EDU, please check those videos out. And then the third resource I want to share with you is my Coding for Kids ebook. And now this is a book that I wrote for teachers and parents. It's not for kids, but it's all the different coding resources that are out there that most are free, some are paid, that you can use to help your kids learn how to code. So there's a lot of different curriculum. So if you're a teacher, there's curriculum that you can use. If you're homeschooled, there's curriculum you can use as well. But then there's just individual classes where your child can go through them and learn how to code. You have to kind of look at it and figure out, where is it, depending on the website, you have to kind of figure out, is it age appropriate? There's some things that might be more appropriate for more advanced programmers. So if your kid's, 15 years old and has been programming for a couple of years, they may be capable of doing some more advanced type programming activities versus a 15-year-old who's this brand spanking new to programming and needs to get started from square one. So you can download the Coding for Kids ebook. It is free on my website. Just go to heathermonthi.com/store, and I will have a link to that in the description box as well. So I will have a link for Code Wizards for you. I will have a link for DroneBlocks for you, and then I will also have a link to my Coding for Kids ebook in the description box below. Check those out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.